Hello students, in unit number 2 the topic array of objects we have studied, and at that time I have taught you one program. The problem definition was like this. There was a class account with members account number, name and balance, and you are asked to accept data of 5 bank accounts and display the balance of particular account, that is a given account. So this is a program to search a particular account and display the balance of that account only, and if the account not found, then you have to display the proper message. So the simple program we have written like this. First of all, we have defined the class account with data members account number, name, balance, and in public section we have declared two member functions: get account to accept 5 account data and display balance. This function will display the balance of particular account number. And in get account function we accepted account number, name and balance using scene account number, scene name, scene balance. And in display balance we have accepted this NO as argument, and we have searched this value of NO whether it is equal to account number. If this condition is true, then we have displayed the name and balance of particular account. So like this we have defined our class, and then in main program we have created array of objects, ACC of 5 objects, that is 5 accounts, then accepted 5 accounts data by setting a loop I is equal to 0, I less than 5, and then we call within the member function, that is get account, is called within the loop by array of object, that is ACC of I dot get account, and this get account function is called 5 times, and like this the data of 5 accounts is accepted. Then we accepted the account number to search. So for that we have used NO variable, and we accepted account number, that is C in NO. After that, in the output operation, the data that is in the loop, again for 5 iterations we have called this display balance function, and this display balance function we have seen in the display balance function we have put the if condition. If the NO is matching, then only the account number will be displayed, and we have ended the program. Then in the output we have entered 5 accounts values like this, then account number 4, account number 5, and enter 1145, and the account is matching, that is this 1145, and the name and balance is displayed Manisha and balance 75,000. But if account number 3445 is entered, which is not existing in these 5 accounts, then nothing is displayed, and I have put question mark and asked you to write a program so that here you have to display account not found. Okay, so that message is required, and many students have suggested that here, that in this display balance, okay, here if ACC NO is equal to NO, and here you have to put the condition, that is else account not found. Okay, so if you put account not found here, what will happen? Suppose in this here, for example, okay, here suppose I want to search 1145. This is the input I have entered 1145, enter account number 1145. So what will happen? The loop will be set and it will check account number 1001 is equal to 1145. So if condition will be false, and else part will execute, and in else part we have inserted, that is error message account not found. So here first account not found will be displayed, then it will go for next iteration. Next number is 1102, then 1102 not equal to 11 is false, again account not found will be displayed. Then it will go for 1145 is equal to 1145, condition is true, it will display the name and balance, right? Then it will again go for next, because our loop is for 5 iterations, it will complete the 5 iterations compulsory. Here also 2345 not matching, account not found will be displayed. 6321 not matching with 1145, account not found will be displayed. So like this, what output we will get? That is 4 times we will get account not found, and 1 time we will get the result. Only if in this situation, that is 3445, if this value is entered, then it will display account not found. Okay, how many times? It will display it 5 times. So this is not expected output. We should display if account is available, it should display account information, that is the name and balance. If the account is not available, then it should display only a single message, account not found. So that is the expected output, and that is not happening here. I have already appealed or gave the challenge to all of you to send this particular program, but 2-3 students tried it, but still they are not able to handle it. So today I am going to show you how to solve this problem, because in your micro project such type of situations will come and you have to tackle it to solve your problem. So let us go for the program, complete program. Now here program to search balance, to search balance of account of given account. So as usual, include IO stream using namespace std class account. So that is already explained to you. Then in private section, data members account number, name and balance. In public section, get account, display account with argument NO. So this is NO is representing account number to search. So there is no change in this class. Then get account, again there is no change in this particular member function. Here it will accept account number, scene account number, then scene name and scene balance. So then let us go for next member function, display balance. Now here our program is, this is account number, display balance int NO, and if account number is equal to NO, that is matching with argument, then display the balance. Okay, so this is a simple program which I have explained in the PPT also. The same program is here. Okay, so here in the main function SAC of 5, that is 5 array of objects, and enter 5 accounts, and here I less than 5, and get account is called by ACC of I array. So 5 times it will be executed and it will accept 5 account information, and here it will be displayed. So this is a simple program. Okay, now in this program I will make certain changes like this. So here again another program is displayed here. There is no change in class account having 3 data members, account number, name and balance. Get account function, no change, right? So scene account number, scene name, scene balance, etc. Now in display, see, this is the member function display balance, and here this is account NO is representing account number. Now here I have used one local variable found and initialized to 0. So int found is equal to 0. 0 means not found, means account not found. I will assume that account not found, and if the condition is true, I will make this value of found variable to 1. Okay, so here now my condition is if account number equal to NO. If this condition is true, then I am making the value of found variable as 1, that is it is matching means what? Found. And if found, then I will display name of the customer and the balance of that customer for that account, and then we'll return the value of found. So here this function is returning integer value. What value I am returning here? Value of found variable. Okay, so what is the value of found variable? The found variable will be either 0 or 1. If the condition is false, so this if part will never execute and the found will never become 1, it will remain 0 and it will return 0 value in that case. And if the condition is true, then the value of found will be 1 and it will display the name and balance, and before ending it will return value of found as 1. So like this, display balance function will make the value of will return the value of found variable either 0 or 1. 0 indicates account not found and 1 indicates account found. Now this return value we will utilize in main function. So let us see the main function. Account ACC of 5, I variable for loop, NO for account number, that is the argument for passing the argument, and found variable again to check whether the account found or not. Enter 5 accounts data. I have set the loop, and here the loop is set for 5 iterations, and ACC of I dot get account. This get account function is called 5 times, and like this the input is accepted for 5 accounts. So there is no change in this particular part of your program. It is similar to your previous program. Now let us go for output part. Enter account number to search. Okay, so here I am accepting account number to search which you want to display the account balance of which account, so that is NO, right? So this pass as argument to display balance function. So set the loop for 5 iterations, and now see how I am calling this. ACC of I dot display balance of NO. So in previous program we have called the display balance function like this, that is ACC of I dot display balance, and in the bracket argument we are passing NO, that is account to search. Now in this program display balance function is returning found value, right, integer value, and that's why the return value is required to store in the variable, and that is variable is here I am using the variable found. So my statement will be found is equal to and then function call. So whatever the display balance will return, that will be stored in found, and this return value will be either 0 or 1. If the account number is found, that is if condition is true, here the found value will be 1, and if condition is 0, if condition is false means account not found, the found value will be 0, and if account found value will be 1, and then it will check here if found value is 1, then break the loop. Why this is required? Because here we are entering 5 accounts, and suppose the account to search is the second account only, right? So for first account it will return 0 value because account not matching, and here if found, that is the value of found is what, 0 is equal to 1, condition here is false and break will not occur, it will go for next iteration. Again it will call the function display balance, and second account now it is matching, the found value will be 1, and here found value 1 is equal to 1, true, and the break will occur. So like this, after second iteration this loop will break because I have entered the account number which is appearing in the second object, right? So further 3 objects will not be searched, or 3 iterations will not be performed here unnecessarily. So that's why this break is inserted, that is if account is found, then why to go for further accounts to search. So here only 5 accounts are there, but in a bank there are thousands or lakhs of accounts, and in that software if a particular account is found, then why to search further accounts? If the account is found, you should break or terminate the loop, and that is done using this found value, and that's why I have written the found value for display balance function, and there return found was there. Okay, so this loop will be breaked or loop will be completed. Now let us consider now whatever this NO, C in NO I am entering the input, this account number is not available in the list. So what will happen? For I is equal to 0, value of found will be 0 because not found. I will be incremented 1, again I will get 0. Here every time this if found is equal to 1, this condition also becoming false, break will not occur, loop will continue. So second iteration found is 0, iteration will be continued, third iteration found will be 0, next iteration found will be 0, next iteration found is 0. For all 5 iterations found will be 0 because I have entered the account number which is not at all available. Okay, every time I will get the value of found as 0 here, and like this the loop will be completed, and final value of found is what? 0. So now out of the loop, here again I am checking the condition, that is checking the value of found whether it is 0. If it is 0 means what? That the account number is not existing in the list, in the array, and value of found is 0, so it will match 0 is equal to 0 and it will display account not found, this particular message. Okay, and whatever our expected output is achieved here. If account number is found, then the value of found will be 1 and this if condition will be true, loop will be break, and then this condition will be false and this message will not be displayed. Okay, this is one situation. Second situation is that the account is not existing, every time value of found will be 0 and every time this if condition will be false and loop will not break, loop will complete, and then this if will become true at that case, in that situation, and account not found will be displayed. So in this way this particular problem is handled. Now I will show you the demo. So first of all I will show you the demo of first program, that is if I put only else cout account not found in display balance function, that is as per your suggestion. Let us see what happens. So I will compile and run the program. Okay, so it is asking account number, so I will enter now information of 5 accounts, 111 name, then balance, again second account number, name, balance, third account number, name, balance, fourth account number, name, balance, fifth account number, name, and balance. Like this I have given input data of 5 accounts. Now I am going to search account. Okay, so I will enter account number 333 which is already available. Okay, so 333 this is available. Now see here, account not found 2 times, then Manoj, its balance, account not found. So 4 times account not found is displayed and 1 time balance is displayed. So that /n is missing, that's why this is showing on same line. I will make the changes in the /n, my if else here. So slash was missing, so I will put the slash. Let us compile and run again. Okay, now I will enter quickly the data. Third account, fourth account, and fifth account. Now account to search. Again I will enter 333 suppose. So see here, your loop is going to execute 5 iterations compulsory. It will not break even though the account is found. See here, account not found. This is for first account which is not matching, 1111. Then 222 not matching, account not found. 333 account number is matching, it will display the name Anil and balance. Then 444 account not found, and 555 account not found because it is not matching. So this is the output that is coming if you enter only else part, account not found. Okay, so that is the effect. So now I will go for second program that I shown you. Now let us run it. So compiling is going on, and this is your output window. 111 first account information I am entering, the balance, second account number, another name, another balance, third account, the balance, fourth account, balance, fifth account, and its balance. Okay, now my input is finished. I have entered the 5 accounts information. Now again I will enter same, that is 333. Now let us see what happens. Okay, so here only the account information of that particular customer is displayed here. Okay, the name is Hemant and balance is 4563. So here this is matching here, but for other accounts it is not displaying account not found, and in previous program that was happening. So this is real expected output. Now let us go for account not found. Now again I will run the program, and I will enter 111, the account information I am entering for 5 accounts. Every time then values may be different, so you have to understand it. Okay, so now account number 4, that is 444. So this time I will enter the account to search which is not existing. Okay, so let us finish me the all 5 account information, and then I will give the search account. Yes, now my 5 account data is entered, and now I am going to search a particular account to display the balance, right? So now I am entering the account number like this, 654. Here which accounts are existing? 111, 222, 333, 444, 555. 654 is not existing, so I should get the message account not found. Let us see what happens. Okay, yes, we got it, account not found. So this is the real expected output, account not found. Now this account not found, this message is displayed because in main function we have put the if condition. If found is equal to 0, see out account not found. Okay, so due to that it is displaying. and in previous output, that break due to break statement, whenever the account is found, it is immediately breaking the loop, and that's why further accounts are not checked. So like this you have to handle this particular problem, and this will definitely help you in your micro project. Such situations will come in your micro projects, and you have to handle using such found type of variable. Initially it will have suppose 0 value, then make it 1, and depending on 0 and 1 you have to take the decision, and accordingly to you have to go for your decision. That is, if found, what to do; if not found, then what to do. So see here, this if found is equal to 1, then break. Due to this, whenever the record is found, it will break the loop. And here, whenever all accounts are not matching, it will every time it will give you the value of found 0, and the loop will complete, and out of the loop here this condition will become true, and then finally it will display account not found. And if the account is found, then this if condition will become true, because the function display balance function will return 1 value, and here it will match and it will break the loop. The value of found is 1. Again out of the loop it will check this if condition. Here, as the value of found is 1, the 1 is equal to 0 condition is false, and it will not display account not found. Okay, so like this you have to think completely, so that all situations should be handled and you should get the correct expected output. So let us hope you understood how to solve that problem, to search or to display the balance of given account number. Thank you.